Good day, everyone. I'm greatly thankful for the opportunity to talk for today. Today, we're gathered to mourn the loss of one of the greatest mother we all wish we still had. I know we all have great memories with her, but let's start from the beginning. She gave us life, a place to live, and to become who we currently are. She was adaptive, vibrant, vigorous, creative, lively, and beautiful. Most importantly, she gave us a stage for humanity to thrive and survive. She cheered us with blue skies. She spoke to us to the tune of the wind. She gave us a place free to roam and thrive. She gave us everything, yet she never asked anything back. Like a mother who only wants the best for her children and doesn't expect anything in return. She truly is one of a kind. And now, these are my most favorite and memorable memories of her. I remember the first time meeting her when I was still a young, inexperienced kid. I didn't even know her name at that time, but I quickly knew she will always be there when I needed her the most. I quickly became fond of her. She gave me shades to cover from the heat of the sun. During afternoon, when the day is at its peak of hotness, she gave me cold water to chill down whenever I feel hot and wanted to go for a swim during summer when school was over. And during late afternoon, whenever I play with the other kids, I can always feel her breeze cooling my body, especially when I'm sweaty. It felt so fresh and cool. She made our childhood fun, lively, and memorable. She provided what we needed to survive and gave us more than what we ever wanted. Yet we took all of it for granted. Our greed for more causes us to forget how we started in the first place. As we progress to be a fully responsible adult, it's ironic that we forgot who took care of us when we used to be a carefree and naive kid. Now, we're gathered to say goodbye to one of our greatest mothers. We all have apologies that doesn't match up compared to what she has given us. Cause our apologies can't revive the dead. Now we realize the consequence of our actions we did for over the past hundreds of years, while she took great care of us for millions of years. We abused her, yet she understood and still forgiven us, despite our cruelty. Like a kid fighting back on its mother who forgot that he owes his life to her. Without her, there's no us. We rarely show our gratitude to her. But now, how can we show our gratitude when the recipient is now gone? Regret always comes last, they say. And I agree that it's true. Because we just experienced possibly the deepest regret in the history of mankind. Mother Nature, if I can go back in time, this time I let mankind know that we don't deserve you, but we badly needed you. And this time, we'll treat you more than what you deserve. I love you, Mother Nature. Until we meet again.